Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gardening Escape. I am Swarup and today we will talk about one of the most popular flowering shrub, Ixora or jungle flame. It is actually a tropical shrub. It can produce vibrant, dense clusters of tubular flowers that lasts for days. From spring to fall, it never stops blooming, and that is why Ixoras can be found in almost every gardens of India. Ixora plants can grow from 2 feet to 6 feet in height, depending on the variety and growing conditions. There are so many varieties available, including tall, semi-tall and dwarf plants. All these varieties come with different colors and different leaf patterns. For container gardening, semi-tall and dwarf plants are best suitable. Select a 10-inch pot with multiple drainage holes for semi-tall and dwarf plants. However, for tall varieties, you will need a 16-inch pot to accommodate one plant. Ixora prefers well-draining, slightly acidic soil with a pH level of around 5.5 to 6.5. If you are living in a city, you can buy potting soil from nurseries and garden stores. Or you can prepare your own potting soil using this formula I personally like to use. 50% normal garden soil, 20% river sand, 20% vermicompost and 10% leaf mold. These are the key ingredients of my potting soil. River sand helps in good drainage and leaf mold makes the soil fluffy, ensuring good aeration to the roots. Being a tropical plant, it prefers bright sunlight and humid weather. Place the container in a location that receives at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. However, in summer, direct sun exposure can cause the leaves to scorch. So moving Ixoras under partial shade will be a smart choice. As a flowering shrub, Ixora needs regular feeding and proper watering. Both of these factors can directly affect the plant's flowering. So feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer 20-20-20 once every week during growing season. You can add a handful of mixed fertilizer once a month containing 10 gram mustard cake, 10 gram neem cake, 5 gram bone meal and 1 gram NPK 0050 for healthy plant and good flowering. Water the plant regularly but make sure the soil dries out slightly in between waterings. Overwatering can lead to flower drop and root rot. If you see yellowing leaves or poor flowering, it might indicate improper watering, too much sun or nutrient deficiency. In that case, closely observe the cause and take measures accordingly. If you notice common pests like aphids and mealybugs, neem oil and spraying mild soap will treat most of them. Ixora grows fast and makes a good bushy plant if pruned properly. Both in spring and monsoon, we can prune them to keep in shape. Also trim spent flower stalks regularly to encourage more blooms. Repotting is also essential to maintain its health and ensure that it has enough space to grow. You can repot once every year in spring, use fresh, well-draining soil and choose a slightly larger pot than the current one. By following these tips, you will get a burst of colorful blooms that will brighten up your garden space throughout the year. Don't forget to comment below and hit like if this video is worth watching. Thank you so much guys, stay fit and happy gardening.